Welcome. If you want to check serial number of your Amazon Echo Studio speaker, at the first you have to simply open Devices tab on your Amazon Alexa application, select your speaker and then go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down all the way down and click About. In this place we can find the serial number. Also you will find it at the bottom when you rotate your speaker like that on this sticker. I hope that you can see it right now. I'm gonna move it a little bit next to you. Take a look. It appears right here on this sticker at the bottom of our speaker. Okay, so that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.